Reserve increased the rate by 25 basis points, the ninth recent rate hike designed to stabilize rampant inflation. It's Friday, March 31st, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Even with the Fed's rate hike, the mortgage rates didn't follow suit, at least not yet. Therefore, buyers may be able to find rates in the 5% range, and lenders are responding to the changing market by delivering new loan products that can ease some of the affordability crunch. Inventory is starting to rise with 1,098 homes coming soon, swelling again this week. 644 homes came to the market, almost double from last week. 650 went under contract, also up from last week. 1,136 moved pending, also up from last week's report. 1,131 sold, improving again this week to 12 days and holding steady at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell this past week was in Potomac for $5,825,000. Rentals declined another week to $1,777, holding at $2,200 per month and leasing in just 25 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 31st, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Have a happy weekend.